yeah, if you're lucky, you can go on as far as you can. I'm sorry, I'm running out of my breath. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and I hope you all are doing really well. So the reason I'm on the go today is because I'm going to be going on a road trip and shooting my first YouTube vlog. So without further delays, I'll just show you a few glimpses of it and see you on the roads. So most of you must have guessed from the visuals that I'm going to this place called Skandagiri Hills, which is about 60 kilometers away from Bangalore, and right now I've covered about 30 kilometers and it's time to stop for some breakfast. So the map location led me to this road that you can see. It's a very tiny off-road. So I've just parked my bike over there, and I don't know if we'll be allowed to trek, but let's just explore. And I found a beautiful lake in here. I'm just speechless, you know. Just experience this, guys. I don't know how to tell you the kind of excitement and elation that I am feeling right now, because I'm always a sucker for mountains. Okay, I don't know, it's from my childhood. I love and prefer mountains more than oceans, and it's because of the absolute nature's beauty and calm that it gives you. And I'll just let you realize that for a minute. Wasn't that so calm and peaceful? I can't tell you how I feel right now. So let's just continue with our trek. Okay, so we have finally arrived to a place which looks like a start of the trek, but it says private property. But I've seen a couple of people go over there, so let's just explore our way. If there's anything wrong or if anyone stops me, I'll definitely come back. So while we are exploring, let me give you a brief that I know about the hill. Skandagiri, or also known as Kalavara Durga, is a beautiful hill town near Bangalore which is famous for its luscious greens and thrilling treks. Now most people don't manage to reach to the top, as there is no specific path to it, as you can see, or the path keeps on changing due to the growth of the flora and other climatic changes. Skandagiri lies at an elevation of 1450 meters. So I'm just exploring my way to the top. I don't think you can really go on top over there, because yeah, for obvious reasons, it doesn't look like you have a path for it. I've just come about 5 minutes of trek and I'm already feeling sweaty and tired. There's still a lot of way to go. You know, off-road treks, the best part about them is you don't know where it's leading, and it's really difficult to climb. Now you will see how far we have come. Do you see the difference? 1 second. I don't know if you can see. Wait, I'll zoom in. Those were the bikes, bottom over there. We were over there at one point in time, and that seemed like quite far. Okay, dead end. इसके बाद नहीं जा सकते शायद, or else I have to be an expert at rock climbing, which I am not clearly. So congratulations, you all have climbed a successful trek. The climb took me about 15 minutes to 20 minutes because I was also vlogging and keeping my cameras here and there while I was doing all this stuff, and also I was trying to make sure I don't fall. So that was Skandagiri for me and everyone else who's watching till now. So thank you so much for watching, and if you have never been to Skandagiri, then definitely pay a visit. It's definitely worth your while for all those adventure enthusiasts and explorers. And if you are new to the channel or haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and like this video. If you have any comments, then please do leave it in the comment section below. With that said, take care, be safe, and I'll see you all in the next vlog. Cheers.